So Jannah, brothers, is a very important perspective that we have to put into our minds. I'll tell you why. Because this dunya, what is this dunya? This dunya is a mess. This dunya is full of arguments, ego. Think about the dunya. Compare the dunya to the akhirah. Compare 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 80 years to forever. Jannah or Jahannam. We have to make this decision. And look at the dunya, brothers and sisters. Look at Somalia. Famine. Under our noses is a famine. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, أُخْرِجَتْ لِلنَّاسِ. We're here for the people. Not min nas, not from the people. Linnas. For the people. So we're here to take care of the affairs of humanity. We're here to take care of the affairs of our brothers and sisters. SubhanAllah. Some brothers are running away from their families because they can't watch their families die. This is the reality of the dunya. Some men, grown men, Somali men, are running away from their kids because they can't bear to watch their family die from hunger. Mothers are walking the streets. They're walking the streets. And they have 6 children. And because they're too heavy, she has to leave 2 on the road to die, so the rest of them could survive. Imagine the dilemma. And there's hardly, the only thing more merciful than a mother is Allah. So think about the dunya, people.